Hello and welcome back. Didn't think I'd be making a video this quick, but you know what? We're going with it. Today I'm gonna teach you how to blanket stitch because it's a great sewing method for making a fursuit, which is what I'm doing right now. My very first one, and I know for a fact it's gonna turn out looking like shit. But that's okay, because it's only my first one of many that I plan on making, and I hope I don't fuck them up as well. But, you know, life goes on. Okay, yeah, so, blanket stitch. That's what we're talking about today. So, how do I explain this? First, I'm going to move the camera down, so that way you guys, yeah, boobs, lovely. You won't see my face, but you can see the fur. And I'm gonna turn this way, grab my needle and thread that I've already tied off. Make sure you tie off the back. I double tie mine for extra protection. Ugh, I got fur all over my face. Phew, the joys of fur making. Fursuit making, not fur making. I don't make the fur. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take your fur, make sure like the fur is facing inwards, so that way you don't catch it and with the needle and then it's like sticking out. You want the fur to be on the outside, not on the inside, or else it will really show the seam. Then you want to place your two pieces of fabric like together, fur on the inside, just like that. Alright, take your needle and I'm gonna just poke it through. Ouch. Make sure you don't poke yourself and pull it all the way through. So you pulled it through, like I pulled it through, and then you're gonna go back to the other side and poke it through again. So, and then you're gonna take your thread and then put it over top of the needle and pull it through. And that should be your first stitch. And then once you get about 3 stitches in, so we'll do that again. So, poke it through, wrap the thread around it, and pull. Poke it through, wrap thread, and pull. Through, over, pull. What you can also do is you take yours and then bring it around so that it's already over the needle, and then you just pull it. So it's like, woo, through, pull, and then you get your blanket stitch. And you just keep stitching until you have what you want stitched. So let's just pull this through and let's just stitch this up where I need it to be. And then I'll show you how to tie it off. And blanket stitching is a great way to sew your fursuit that has little details in it. Like this suit has eyebrows and like eyeshadow, so I had to stitch that all in. Like you can see, like small parts, stitch it in with the blanket stitch. All right, so I got one more, pull it, And then you kind of just blanket stitch it in the same spot to tie it off. So you poke it through where it ends and pull. I do it at least 3 times. There you go. It's nice and secure and tied off. And then you just... Ah! My scissors didn't cut. 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 There you go. And then what I do is I take a cap brush, it's already got fur in it, and just brush out, and you can, well, you can barely see the seam. Barely. Yeah, I got, okay, so I have the cheeks all finished. A button nose, not a button, but, that's how you blanket stitch. I know this isn't really a big video, but a lot of people, like myself, are wondering how to blanket stitch. And well, that's how you do it. Anyways, enough said. Thank you guys for watching. Tune in for the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and my TikTok. Yep. See you guys in the next video, where I will be showing you the final product of this suit that I'm making. Well, it's just the head and maybe a tail. But you know what? First time fursuit maker. You gotta do what you gotta do. Alright? Just remember to always be your best self. Bye, guys.